Imagine a world where your company runs so smoothly that problems fix themselves before anyone even notices them. Sounds impossible? Well, in Japan, they've been doing it for decades. These are the silent systems behind the success of giants like Toyota, Sony, and Panasonic. They're called Japanese lean concepts, 21 powerful ideas that boost productivity, cut waste, and create a culture of continuous improvement. And guess what? You don't have to be a factory to use them. Whether you're running a startup, a school, a hospital, or even organizing your life, these tools work. So stick around, because the last few concepts we'll cover might just be the secret weapon your business has been missing. What makes Japanese companies stand out? It's their focus on long-term success, employee involvement, and high quality and efficiency. Principles of Japanese management. It includes mainly lifetime employment, seniority-based promotion, consensus decision-making, quality circles, continuous improvement, respect for people. 5S refers to a structured approach to workplace organization and standardization that promotes efficiency, safety, and quality. It's a fundamental principle of lean manufacturing and aims to create a cleaner, safer, and more productive work environment. Heijunka, meaning leveling in Japanese, is a lean manufacturing technique that aims to create a smooth and consistent workflow by balancing production with customer demand. Takt time is a tool for setting the pace and rhythm of your manufacturing process and aligning it with customer demand. As a metric, takt time is the amount of time budgeted to manufacture each part, such as producing one part every 22 seconds. Kaizen, a term meaning change for the better, refers to a philosophy of continuous improvement that focuses on making small, incremental improvements in all aspects of a business, from manufacturing processes to customer service. It involves everyone in the organization, from the CEO to the assembly line workers, working together to identify and implement improvement. In lean manufacturing, an andon is a system that alerts operators and managers to problems on the production line in real time. The word andon translates from Japanese to lantern or light. It's often implemented with a cord or button that, when pulled or pressed, signals a problem to the team. Hoshin Kanri, or policy deployment, is a strategic planning and continuous improvement methodology that aligns an organization's strategic goals with its daily operations. Hansei is a term that translates to self-reflection, or to look back. It's a practice of acknowledging one's mistakes, taking responsibility, and committing to improvement. Hansei is a key component of Kaizen, a continuous improvement methodology, and is widely used in Japanese business and culture, particularly at companies like Toyota. Shijinka, a lean management concept, refers to the flexible adjustment of the workforce to match production demands. The important components are flexibility, demand-driven allocation, reduced waste, improved productivity, employee satisfaction, cost reduction. Lean manufacturing, rooted in the Toyota Production System, TPS, emphasizes the elimination of waste, muda, and the creation of value from the customer's perspective. Shigoto Shiji plays a pivotal role by preventing variation in processes, a major source of waste, enabling continuous improvement by creating a baseline for Kaizen. Supporting Jidoka, built-in quality, by reducing human errors. Jidoka, also known as automation, emphasizes machines and operators detecting and stopping production when a problem arises. It focuses on automation with a human touch, allowing for immediate intervention to prevent defects from spreading. Poka-Yoke, meaning mistake-proofing in Japanese, is a lean tool that aims to prevent errors or defects in a process by designing mechanisms that either prevent mistakes from occurring or make them immediately visible for correction. Kanban is a visual workflow management system, meaning it uses boards to help teams visualize their work and track its progress. The term Kanban translates to signboard or billboard in Japanese, reflecting the system's reliance on visual signals. In the context of business, Gemba, which translates to the real place in Japanese, refers to the actual location where work is done and value is created. This could be a factory floor, a construction site, an operating room, or any other space where operational work is performed. Nemawashi is a Japanese business practice that involves informally gathering support and feedback before making a formal announcement or decision. It translates to going around the roots, drawing a parallel to preparing a tree's roots before transplanting to ensure its survival. Muda, Mura, and Muri are Japanese terms representing three types of waste in lean manufacturing, impacting workflow, productivity, and customer satisfaction. Muda refers to waste or futility, Mura indicates irregularities or unevenness, and Muri represents overburden or excess. Understanding and addressing these concepts helps to optimize processes and improve efficiency. Yamazumi, meaning to stack up in Japanese, refers to a specific chart type used in lean manufacturing and process improvement to visualize and balance work distribution. Jishu Hozen means autonomous maintenance. Jishu loosely stands for independence or autonomy, while Hozen means preservation, integrity or conservation. Japanese companies often utilize several key concepts and cultural practices to foster efficiency, collaboration, and long-term success. These include Kaizen, hierarchical structures, consensus-based decision-making, emphasis on teamwork and loyalty, and respect for seniority. Why is relevant for Amazon use Kanban and takt time, or related concepts, logistics and supply chain? Kanban systems are often used in supply chain management to visualize the flow of goods and manage inventory. Process optimization. By visualizing workflows and identifying bottlenecks, Kanban systems can help Amazon optimize various processes, from order fulfillment to product development. Demand planning. Takt time can be used in demand planning to ensure that Amazon's production capabilities are aligned with customer demand. Team management. Kanban can also be used to manage work within teams, improving collaboration and communication. If you found this video helpful or insightful, do give it a thumbs up. It really helps us grow. And if you'd like more content like this, on productivity, business strategy, and innovation, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Feel free to share this with colleagues, classmates, or anyone passionate about making work just a little smarter.